Today, I'm showing you how to download GTA San Andreas on your PC through official channels. Let's get started. Method 1. Download from Rockstar Games. Step 1. Open web browser. Open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you use. Step 2. Visit rockstargames.com. In the address bar, type rockstargames.com and press Enter. This is the official website of the developers of GTA San Andreas. Step 3. Search for GTA San Andreas. Once on the Rockstar Games homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the magnifying glass icon to open the search function. Type GTA San Andreas in the search box and press Enter on your keyboard. Step 4. Select GTA San Andreas. Search results appear showing various GTA games. Look for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas in the list and click on it to open the game's official page. Step 5. Click Buy Now. On the GTA San Andreas game page, you'll see game information, screenshots, and a Buy Now button. Click Buy Now to proceed with the purchase. Step 6. Select your platform. A platform selection screen appears. You'll see options for different platforms, including PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. Select PC as your platform. Step 7. Sign in to Rockstar account. You'll be taken to the Rockstar Social Club sign-in screen. If you already have a Rockstar account, enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Step 8. Complete purchase. After signing in, proceed through the checkout process. Review the game price and any applicable discounts, add the game to your cart, enter payment information, credit card, PayPal, etc., confirm billing address, review, and complete your purchase. Step 9. Download from Rockstar Launcher. After purchasing, you'll need the Rockstar Games launcher to download and play the game. If you don't have it, download the Rockstar Games launcher from the website, install it on your PC, sign in with your Rockstar account. GTA San Andreas will appear in your library. Click on Download to install the game. And that's it. You've successfully purchased and can now download GTA San Andreas on your PC through official channels.